Hello! Welcome to our backyard BBQ party. I am using the grill. It is very hot. Now, I am cooking the burger. It smells good.
Look at all this ice. It is so cold. I have the hot dogs, Daddy. Be careful.
Whew. The hot dogs look delicious. 1, 2, 3.
Here is the green salad, Mommy. I see red, white, and blue colors.
Nah. Working at the grill makes me hot.
The bread is soft and warm. It is ready.
Add some red ketchup for extra flavor.
This orange juice is very refreshing.
Look at the yellow corn. It is sweet.
Everything is ready. Let's eat together.
Let's make water balloons. They are colorful. This one is blue. It is very heavy. We have many balloons. 1, 2, 10. Be quiet. Okay. Dad is over there. Get ready. Dad, this is gonna be all funny you, Peter.
I love the smell of BBQ.
Ready, steady, throw.
The red balloon is flying fast.
Oh, what was that? I am wet. I am wet. The water is very cold.
We hit you, Daddy. Splash!
My turn. Run, kids! Run fast!
Dad is fast. Help me, Anna. Mommy, protect me from the water.
Now everyone is wet.
Okay. No more water. Let's eat.
My shirt is blue and wet. It feels cool. Dad, your shoes are full of water.
That was a great game. I am happy.
The sunset is here. The sky is pink.
Let's light the candles. It is cozy. This hot dog tastes so good. Watermelon is sweet. I like it.
Drink some lemonade. It is fresh.
Cheers. to a happy summer day.
I love my family. We are lucky. Look! Fireflies! They are like tiny stars. Stay with me, little light.
The night is coming. Are you tired?
The cooking is finished. Now we wait.
The stars are coming out. 1, 2, 3.
Look at the moon. It is big and white.
When will the fireworks start, Mommy?
Look at the sky, Anna. Just wait.
Wow! A red flower in the sky. Now it is blue, my favorite color.
It is very bright and loud. Boom!
It is so beautiful. Look, Mom. I can touch the lights, Daddy.
Red, white, and blue fireworks.
It is very loud. Boom, boom, boom.
This is a magical night for us.
I love the fireworks. They are pretty.
The show is finished. Let's go sleep.
Sweet dreams, my brave explorer.
I want to see fireworks every day.
The party is over. Good night, backyard.